Dumelang Lord, this is your girl Disable D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Now, my landlords, we are back with Uthando Nestembu. And pardon me for not posting a lot because, hey, yeah, life is lifing. But with that said, let us speak ngendaba Makwela, right? Umusa decided to go and take ifamily yakhe kabo Makwela, kabo Samge, and then they went. The idea behind it was to see the baby, because it was long overdue, I think, and also because they could not see umntwana kaMthombeni based on the conflicts that are still there and the fact that a lot of things has still not been resolved, to an extent that maybe umntwana angeza kibo bazombonela kibo, and also because amalobolo akawaqedwa ngiyacabanga. So with that said, ayile-ke amaduma wafika wayenza whatever that needs to be done. Now the setup sure was somehow like, I was like, yeah, in the Zulu culture, like people really spend a lot of money because the setup was as if it's a wedding of some sort. Like everything was super proper, like your tent with your deco chairs, like it honestly looked like Umembeso that we thought it was when we saw the teaser, right? Only to be told that nope, it's not Umembeso. What we saw is not what's actually happening. And then obviously they showed the real thing, which was Usamke bringing her child for them to see the child. Now, during this, Mthombeni became emotional. Guy started crying. Buzani ukuthi ukhalelani uMthombeni. UMthombeni ukhalela ukuthi umntanakhe uhamba ngamateksi. UMthombeni ukhalela ukuthi abo Makhumalo, Mangwabe, and Mayeni are taking time to accept Umakoti, which in turn is making things difficult for him because he has to see umntanakhe edratin, And for me, it was unnecessary for him to say that speech because at the end of the day, we watch Uthando Nestembu and we know exactly what is happening. And he needs not to relate or to explain to any of us what's happening. We are well aware. But now he needed to do that. Furthermore, angi-understand makuyobona umntwana khabo lokhunja, is it because Uthando Nestembu that everybody is going, or usually kuba abomama abayobona umntwana and then bamhambisele nezipho? And to show ukuthi this was a well-coordinated thing, which sounded like Umembeso, perhaps that could be the reason why Umakhumalo asked in the first place to say, mani yaleni wenzani, because remember, Umakhumalo by default, she will know. Since leonke lento le iyenza kaSilakhi, she will know. So apparently Mthombeni is saying Umakhumalo asked him about it. But at this point, I'm inclined to believe Mthombeni because we have seen ukuthi Mthombeni mixes things a lot and he's not always truthful. Like he's just always not truthful. But that's what he said. He said kunjalo. Ugelelo uMakwela continued to say ukuthi abantu monitoring spirits in. And that to me sounded wrong because the very monitoring spirits are the people that you are waiting for to give permission. So now, if you're starting to call them by names, I'm a monitoring spirit, will they ever give permission for you to enter the homestead? Will they ever give permission for you to officially be number 5? Or will you continue like that because when you decide to speak a lot on your diary sessions? I don't know, guys. I don't know. But Usamke said what she needed to say, and she believes Uguti Umakhumalo is her enemy at this point. Like that's how she's sounding. Ukgirl is sounding like Umakhumalo is her enemy at this point, of which I don't think it's like that, But ahambe umacele nomndeni wakibo. And then they gave the family some gifts, which the family appreciated. Baya nezinto. And Umacele said, I'm not going to bambesa the blankets because if I embesa them the blankets, it would be as if sesiyabaqokisa. But for me, nalangihleli khona, even the throw was unnecessary because the throw symbolizes a blanket. Like, couldn't you have came with iduguge? Like, why a throw? Why particularly something that's going to stay on their emahlombe wabo, on their shoulders, as a sign of umembeso? But like I said, maybe Zulu people do things differently, and they'll explain to us. Nake Motswana, and we just live, we don't have a lot of cultural background in my home state where I come from. So with that said, banikeze uMacele gift, and when giving uMacele gift, it was uttered ukuthi thina singu-team mamkhulu, which is another problem uMseleku that he must not permit, because they can never be team mamkhulu. He is building a polygamy, and already the incoming people are creating division. And I think ukuthi uSamke is excited by uMacele loving her and accepting her, that she forgot ukuthi uMacele can change at any time. And if she had watched uThando Nesthembu and seen ukuthi wajikelwa uMakhumalo when she least expected it, when she thought ukuthi uMacele would be the one person behind her, uMacele was nowhere to be found. uMacele nje had her own reasons, had her own long list. Like, girl was super committed in such a way that was aneruli 20 years, of which uSamke like she entered herself in that thing as well, because she mentioned, which I thought it was unnecessary, that umamkhulu is just here to support and see umethuli. It has nothing to do nemushado nanani. It has nothing to do with 20 years, meaning ukuthi in private they have conversations no Macele, and possibly they have had conversations with Tobile, because at this point I think ukuthi uTobile is their common denominator, is the person that they are able to discuss better, which I always thought ukuthi uMacele is smarter than that. Like, I don't know, I hold uMacele at a high regard, guys. I believe ukuthi for a person to be a matriarch, then that person must be at another level of smart, right? But I don't know the discussions between the two of them, but it does look like they do discuss uMakhumalo there and there. So uMakwela felt the need to clarify, which I felt it was unnecessary. Then kube ubabakhe ke who started crying, akhalela ukuthi akanabazali. If bekanabazali, bekazotshela labo nkosikazi ukuthi they need to support their husband in. And of which I'm like, that is the problem, because then it means ukuthi abazali, they protect and they cover where it is wrong. Because according to him, his parents were going to call the wives into order. Who was going to call him into order, more especially with the broken promises? Because truth is, he has promised these ladies a lot of things. Like, he has promised these ladies, like, yo, a lot. But even in that promise, he did not keep those things. He was like, after 20 years, I'm not getting married. He is getting married. After so and so years, I'm not doing this. He's doing exactly that, which to me is a sort of hurtful, and which to me shows ukuthi family yakhe bemele ingenelele la kuso. And people will say, uMacele makathi, we don't have parents. uMacele is consoling umuntu wakhe, guys. Remember, uMacele made it very clear, which I also liked, ukuthi uMthombeni is my earthly king, and whoever has a problem with the earthly kingship is their problem. Girl is sorted, girl is nice, girl is happy in her own marriage, and she is happier now that somebody is getting in, which is not loved by number 2, number 3, and number 4, which means ukuthi now people are feeling the pain that she was feeling when they were getting in. That is now me thinking, but with that said, ke, uMthombeni was crying, feeling like all sorts of emotions, because umntanakhe uhamba ngeteksi. I'm like, really? Because umntanakhe uhamba ngeemoto ze-halfway, we can see it, and we know ukuthi it's all Makhumalo's effort. Why is that now then not recognized? Like, why is not anyone saying anything about it? To me, it sounded unfair. But again, knowing Umthombeni, he will spin the narrative the best way he knows how. Mina personally, I'm disappointed with Macele's family, because Macele's family is just making the division even worse, and Umacele is not seeing it, because now they are Team Makwela trying to sideline the others. There was a point where I was Wahambisi Sandle mover, just like to say, guys, please stop, like please stop, 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 stop. But they continue to speak and say, Angeke silinde bona. Yo, I was like, nope, this is not going to end well. But I don't know. What did you think about it? This is your girl, Disable D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.